But why is blockchain creating such a buzz? Let's consider that you're transferring money to a friend. While it might seem simple, traditional methods can be tampered with easily. It's like a guardian of data integrity. It provides transparency, decentralization, immutability, and pseudonymity. Since the ledger is distributed and transactions are cryptographically secured, blockchain builds trust in record keeping and interaction. It's more than just Bitcoin, it's a technology that's changing industries. But how does blockchain work? It will work as a fusion of three elements. Cryptographic keys will ensure secure interactions. Then, the peer-to-peer network will verify transactions. Finally, mathematical verifications will seal the deal and ensure secure digital interactions. At a high level, blockchain works through a peer-to-peer network of nodes that each maintain a copy of the ledger. New transactions are propagated across the network and collected into blocks by special nodes called miners. Miners validate transactions and compete to add new blocks to the chain. Cryptography, like digital signatures and hashing, will secure the interaction.